Hi everyone, a new job requirement who are working in a software or a hardware testing field and ISTQB certification completed, knowledge on the testing tools, SDLC hands-on experience with JIRA, Confluence, Swagger, Zeplin, Postman, VB, Postgres, TESTRAIL, GitLab, Docker, Terminal, hands-on experience with Kibana, Jenkins, hands-on experience on automate test in third-page object patterns, Selenium, automation frameworks, MS Office, Edge, Chrome, mobile platforms, knowledge, microservice, general knowledge, Windows or Linux advanced user, understanding of cloud services, understanding of network and internet connectivity, having 3 to 5 years experience in the tools only eligible for this requirement. Interested and eligible candidates mail to rajendra.apssdc@gmail.com. Thank you.